All right, friends, we are here. It is June 19th. We're at a very familiar place. Here we are, beautiful Durango Casino. So this is the machine we like to play on a lot, obviously. It's right here next to the sunlight. But I saw someone just literally win a jackpot. They're doing $10 bets. You can see right there, they're doing $10 bets at 10-cent denom. So I was like, should I go play on this too, even though they just won? Wifey's like, yeah, I think so too. Because sometimes it pays out big if it just paid out. So let's test this. Oh, he was right up there. Mr. Mo Mummy. We saw him right up there. Let's see a cash collect. The person I think got a, we just walked by and saw it when they were getting it. We're all, oh, congrats. But they got a cash collect. Oh, wow. Cash collect with 2 minis, which were 100. And then they got some other crazy stuff. We just walked away, but that was good for them. But now we're trying to do something similar. Oh yeah. Oh no. So this is the machine we had. Okay. Is the machine wide open for us to profit? Is it in a what's it called? A pay cycle? Oh yeah. Do it, do it. Come on, Mr. Mummy. Oh, he's right up there. Pop it, pop it, pop it, pop it. We would love to see something. Okay, there's some good numbers for $1.50 bets. Come on out. Hope you guys are doing well. We've been hanging in there. We've been playing a lot of the World Series of Poker. We got a ridiculously cool jackpot at Aria. If you haven't seen that video, please check it out. I just posted it like yesterday or 2 days ago. It's like June 18th or something. It was truly epic. I can't even describe it. I had like $15 in my pocket and I was gonna go like wash my hands, but the 15 was all like, you know, it was all wet because I got it as a change from the cocktail waitress. And I was like, let me put it inside this machine because I'm gonna put it inside my wallet and get it all wet. And then with that $15, we won $1,600. I was playing Fu Dai Lian Lian. I was betting Fu Dai Lian Lian on $2 a spin, and it was crazy. We got like, I think my first time playing it. It was the one with like the epic wheel or whatever, and we got some bag to pop, and then 2 other bags popped, and then with those 2 other bags, we got like, what else did we get? We got like 36 free spins. We hit the major, and we hit a bunch of supers. Oh yeah, baby! I wanted to keep my story going just to hit that. Do another one. Oh, there's another one right there. Here we go, people. This was the same denomination that the lady was playing on. She was playing $10 a spin, won a humongous jackpot. Let's try to get a mini baby jackpot. I shouldn't get a huge one. She got like 2,000. That was pretty big. Oh yeah, $50 one to start. Let's keep it going, buddy. Okay, another $50 one. Okay, 3. I mean, does it get much better than that to start? I don't know. Here we are. Let's go. 3 on one spin, another $50 one. Let's get many more $50 ones, please. Green, yes. One more. Okay. People, let's make this the greatest Mo Mummy machine on our favorite machine since our last greatest Mo Mummy experience. Let's do it again. I want to see a lot. Oh, mini, where were you? Okay, mini, $50 mini, mind you, not that mini. Okay, come on. Ooh, okay, some money, but we had some free spins to kind of toy around with, but now we need to get serious, Mr. Mummy. Oh, the minor was in there. Green. No. Mr. Mummy. We go way, way back. Everyone's watching. Wow, I've never seen that. Like so many dead spins in a row. Oh, something big. Okay. Well, we can definitely get 3 on one spin, but likelihood of that is kind of, you know, let's get a minor then. 1 green, okay. Well, to get it, we got a couple $50 ones to start, right? That was pretty glorious. But we still got $370 or so. Oh, sorry, $370, so $170 divided by 2. It's 5 cents. So we don't hate it. It was great. so fun to hit that bonus, right? Every time it comes in, it just feels, it's like such an exhilarating moment. You know what I'm saying? They know like to how to trigger the dopamine levels in these games, how to get you like excited and committed and whatever. Like that, I mean, look at that. Bam, that's a pretty big trigger. That's not the biggest one I think we've gotten. I don't know, we've gotten the biggest was 100, but we were just had the win earlier today and we got a couple $375 gems, which unfortunately didn't land, but they were glorious to see. Come on, pop it. Can we get something? I mean, like, look at that grand up there. It looks pretty grandiose to me. Okay. Can we get a, oh yeah, do it. We're seeing a lot of values here. Can we see him run across the screen right now? Not yet. Run across the screen, little buddy. Run across the screen. We want to get greedy when he's paying like this, you know? Okay. Hey, what's happening here? What's that? We haven't had a bonus for like 7 spins. Come on. It's expensive with 250. Okay. So, as I was saying, blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah. Guys, I was trying to will it in. I was giving everything I could to trigger it. I don't know what I could have done more. Okay. Oh, big one in the first one. There was a huge, oh, here it is. Oh, here it is. Oh. There was such a big one that came through on that one. Oh, he's right up there. Mr. Mummy. Do a $5 one. Let's do another $5 one. Let's do a $2.50 one. He's right up there. Come on. Please come across the screen. Oh, he's peeking. I mean, he technically just came through twice, but we need him to actually connect with his little, yeah, double. One thing we haven't done too is got a double on this, or triple, or whatever. So we want to achieve that. Double here. Please run across the screen. Oh, you see him poking through up here. Huh? You see him coming through. I don't know. I don't want him to take all of our money. And get some line hits too. When we won the major last time, we just got one little random gem. Just felt like just like this, and it hit now. Okay. Not getting any line hits either. Do it. Okay, Mr. Mummy, this is plenty to take back. 75 cents for, oh, it's just 3, I guess. Okay. Oh, he's right up there. Do it. Ah, it's tricking us. It's tricking us. It's doing its job. Oh, do it now. Don't trick us anymore. Boom. How awesome. How awesome would it have been? We want to get one of those back-to-backs. Is it gonna come? Oh, he's right there. But, okay, 5 cents. You were good to us. You were good to us earlier too, at the win. Time to move on, you know? Boom, 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 boom. Okay. We want to get a full screen of Cleopatra too. That would be pretty sweet. Okay. Yes. No. No. Oh. Oh. I just asked for a full screen of Cleopatra. However, betting 150. Okay. Let's see this. Boom, boom, boom. Full screen of Cleo would be pretty huge. Green. Okay, try it. Let's go. No. He's right up there. Okay, Mr. Mummy. Do we have to have a heart-to-heart? Okay, don't be sad. Cheer up, Charlie. Let's go. Okay, here we go. One of you. None of you, huh? Oh. The most random last spot it could be. Here it is. Do that again, please. Oh, first. There it is. Oh, yeah, baby. One more, big one. Please. Oh, we want to get the double ignite. I mean, obviously we'll take it with just any sort, but... Okay, everyone channel your energy. Channel the channel's energy. Let's go. Come on. Let's get some big progressives in this one. I mean, there's progressives are okay. Let's get some really, really big gems. Okay. That was just a warm-up, right? Right, Mr. Mummy? Right. Oh, that would have been good. Okay. It was indeed a warm-up. Okay, let's go. We can do this, right? We can do this, people. Oh, the miner. That was a $60 miner here. And we need 2 more. This is silly talk. Okay. Oh my God, look at that. Look at that. I was like, this is silly talk. And then he drops 2 huge ones. I mean, like, relative to our bet size. Out of nowhere. Okay, Mr. Mummy. Okay. Something big in there. Oh, that would have been a good one to fall in. All right, we have 2 spins. Let's drop at least just 1 maxi, right? Just 1 maxi. How dare they fall there and then there? How dare they? Okay, same thing that happened last time, remember? Get us there. Oh, there's some big ones in there. 2 more. Okay, let's drop some good ones in there. Just about $90 or $100, right? Okay. All right. The question is, do we keep going or do we keep going or do we keep going? I guess I answered my own question, right? Okay, well that was nice to hit it. Thank you, Mr. Mummy. The most beautiful symbol and the most beautiful. Let's get it back to back to back to back. Boom. That one's a getting bigger. That one's a getting bigger. Oh, he was right up there again. Come on, Mr. Mummy. We'd love a haywire. Well, once we get a couple cash collects, like the edge is off, and we're like, okay, free games is fine, even though free games is pretty sando most of the time. To quote the great Vegas Matt, even though, you know, it can still be great, any bonus is fun, you know, because there's hope, but. Indeed. Tim Allen. Okay. Are they trying to trick us, people? He is tricky, just like Frankenstein was tricky earlier in the other video. Just I saw that video yet. Oh yeah, here we go, baby. Rumble, rumble. Let's go green. Big green, okay. Maybe jackpot. Green, okay. One of you. Okay, I think I'd rather get the jackpot right now because we're guaranteed at least 20. And I've gotten cash collect or whatever. I've gotten free games before where it's been like 3 times my bet. So this is at least gonna be a 20, but let's see if we can get something bigger. Okay, that's a good one. Okay, oh my goodness, people, please one way. Oh my God, guys, my heart is beating so fast. I never got the grand from 2. I've never gotten the grand. I've never gotten the grand on the first 2. Oh my God, don't do that. Don't do that. Guys, my heart is beating so fast. It gives us the grand on the first 2 picks, and then we have this run out afterwards. Come on now. My heart is beating. At least the maxi. Oh, why did you laugh at me like that? Oh my God. Guys, my heart was beating so fast right there. We saw the grand on the first two. There's a good chance that it's not gonna be the mini. It'll be at least like the maxi or the major or the whatever, you know? When you get all of those in just the sneaky mini, just out of nowhere. Oh my God, I need to calm down because my heart was racing right now. Getting that haywire is so nice, but like I said, the mini was at least 20. Two more. Bam. Oh, we got it. Nice. We got all 3 bonuses. Okay, we got all 3 bonuses, people. This has been an epic battle. The person was doing good on this machine earlier with $10 bets. We're doing what we're doing. 250, 150. Let's get a cash collect in here, people. Retrigger. Wild, Wild West. Wild, Wild. Oh, okay, 5 at least. Do. 3 games left. Let's please get a cash collect. A really randomly beautiful one. Bam. Oh. It can still pop on just one. Okay, please. There's a big one that flew right at first. Get on the second. Oh. Just give me here. Oh my God, it was right there. See, this is why I said it's good to get jackpot sometimes, because you can win the grand. You saw the jackpot could have been at least whatever. That one was just $11. I mean, back to back. Do it again. Okay, back to back. Literally do it. Oh my God! It wants to give us a retry, people. Back to back. Is this one of the greatest? This is not the official greatest, but it's definitely one of the greatest, most fun go mummies. Can we get a cash collect to start though? Or a retrigger, yeah. Give us at least a shot. Hey, what's going on here? Okay, 1 cash collect. I saw a nice one fly by. Here it is. Right here. Right there. Right there, people. Look at these. They're getting bigger up there. Oh, he was right there again. Oh, keep going. Oh, man, if there's some more closeness in those symbols. I mean, we have 1 more spin for a cash collect, people. Can we do this? Can we do this? Yes, we can. Oh, big line hit. All right. Oh yeah, the Clio, I guess, didn't go through. But see, it's not even as much as the Mini. That's what I was saying. Sometimes it's better just to get the jackpot feature, because then you have a chance at something crazy, and you know, who knows what can come of it. But that was awesome. We got 3 different bonuses. He's up there again. I mean, I don't know. This is a nice even number, 250 bucks. We put in 100. Wifey's over there playing her whatever it is, firecracker game. I think we're gonna get up, go find her, maybe come back. But look at this. We crushed these. They're all tiny now, and we won, more than double, which is pretty good. Take it and run sometimes. Mo Mummy, we know, is very volatile, but we'll start again a little bit later. But this was pretty great. We got all 3 of the features, got back-to-backs, many cash collects, and we had fun along the way. And we'll be back for some more fun soon. Thank you.